What's up guys, YvensB here, Montreal sports and portrait photographer. So today's video is a quick one since I want to document this for myself and thought actually it might be useful to share with you guys. So here it is. Sometimes you come across some lessons that you have to take down as a note, and this video is actually one of them. Like in life, sometimes you really need a shift of perspective. And in lighting, it applies also in the same way, and this video is a good example of the latter. If you're new to this channel, I've been praising the use of the Optical Snoot in many videos. I think I have like 4 of them here. Honestly, it's a great modifier which will allow you to do so much in your lighting career. So let's give you a bit more context. I was shooting actually some silhouettes with a red background, and both the subject and I were nearing the end of poses and setup. Before tearing everything down, I just took a step back and thought for a minute. She's kind of dressed in an old-timey way with a hat and a dress. I have a circular light. I have a background that's already set up. Why not move the light from the silhouette to the main light? So I just did that small change, and here are the results. So for the first set of photos, let's break down this set light by light. So for the main light, and you heard it many times before, if you're not new here, I'm using the Optical Snoot paired with the Godox 8400 Pro. I shot this using the Sony A7RIII paired with the Sony 85mm 1.8 FE. The pullback shot you currently see here, we're taking with the Samyang 35mm 1.4 for Sony. So after all this setup, I added a rim light using a very large trip box, which I recently acquired to edge out the subject. I didn't like the subject as a silhouette alone with the conical light, and the rim light added that kind of pop of light that just gives it a bit more information that I can appreciate. Side note, I have a say with chip boxes which might be useful to you. To me alone, the number one rule with chip boxes is to always buy 2. Never buy 1, always buy 2. But this time for this specific shot, I only wanted the lighting to come from one specific direction, so I didn't need for the 2 strip boxes in this case to create like a 3-point lighting. Only one was needed. But again, be warned, always buy 2 strip boxes at a time. So for the second setup, I simply moved the 8400 Pro right on top of me. While I was shooting this change of perspective, this kind of created a stage effect, which almost made it look like a singer, which I did in another video here, and doing that previous shot really helped me get this one done. And that's pretty much it. So I have a question for you. Are there any other situation where you found yourself that you simply changed your lights or a setup in your camera and you nailed something? I kind of want to know in the comments which situation, like most people are going through this. To me, it was the conical light with the movement from left to right. And if that video was helpful to you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to be notified of the upcoming videos. And this has been YvensB, Montreal sports and portrait photographer. And I wish you, as always, happy shooting and good luck. Cheers.